Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products that make a difference. Today, we're taking a look at a product designed for precision, ease, and longevity. The Xtreme Lashes Glideliner Long-Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Cognac. Now, if you're all about effortless eye definition, without the tugging or the need for constant reapplications, this pencil might just be up your alley. Let's see how it performs. The Xtreme Lashes Glideliner promises long-lasting gel technology that glides on smoothly, making it perfect for those looking for something that won't leave them frustrated halfway through their makeup routine. The pencil is compatible with Xtreme Lashes eyelash extensions, which is great if you're wearing extensions and need a liner that won't interfere with them. Plus, this pencil is touted to be both smooth and highly pigmented, offering a rich, deep color that stays in place. When I first tried this pencil, I was impressed with how easily it glided on. You don't need to press hard and there's no tugging, something that many of us struggle with, especially when we have sensitive skin around our eyes. I tested it in different conditions, wearing it throughout the day and even through some light activities. What stood out is the staying power. It truly lives up to the long-lasting claim, lasting through long hours without smudging or fading, even in warmer temperatures. For those who wear eyelash extensions, you'll find this pencil a game changer since it won't break down the adhesive or affect your extensions. Now, every product has its ups and downs. On the plus side, the Smooth Glide is definitely one of the best features. The color, Cognac, is a rich, warm brown that works well for both day and night looks. Subtle enough for everyday wear, yet bold enough to make a statement. Plus, the pencil doesn't dry out quickly, which is always a huge win. It's also a breeze to sharpen, so you don't have to worry about losing product when you need that fine point. However, one drawback I noticed was that it's not as waterproof as I had hoped. After a few hours, there was some fading, especially if you tend to touch your eyes often. While it holds up for a good amount of time, it's not entirely smudge-proof. So if you're looking for something that will withstand a hot, sweaty day, this might not be your best option. Additionally, it's not the most precise pencil if you're going for a super thin line. For a bolder look though, it does the job quite well. In terms of value, at its price point, this pencil is decent. While it's not the cheapest eyeliner on the market, it offers quality, and the long-lasting formula is an attractive feature. Plus, the fact that it's compatible with eyelash extensions adds value for those who use them, as they don't have to worry about potential damage to their lashes. When it comes to alternatives, there are some other long-lasting pencils out there that might come at a lower price. But if you're looking for a formula designed with lash extensions in mind, the Xtreme Lashes Glideliner does offer something unique. However, if you don't wear lash extensions, there are comparable options like the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil or Max Pro Longwear Eye Pencil that also offer great staying power for a similar price. The packaging is sleek and functional, and the product feels durable, so I expect it to last for quite a while. There's also something satisfying about the smoothness of the pencil. No sharpening hassles, just a great application every time. If you're someone who struggles with liner that smudges or fades, this could be your new go-to. Now, as for customer support, I didn't need to reach out to Xtreme Lashes, but the brand generally has a good reputation for handling queries, and their products are widely praised for their consistency and quality. So what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a smooth, pigmented pencil that works well with eyelash extensions and offers solid staying power, the Xtreme Lashes Glideliner is a fantastic option. It's not perfect. It could be a little more waterproof, and the line might not be as fine as some would prefer, but it does a great job overall. For those with lash extensions or those seeking a pencil that delivers on its long-lasting promises, this is definitely worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to help other beauty lovers find our reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews just like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.